Hey there, this is Rohit from Upper Level. In this video, we are learn about the history of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is not a new word and not a new technology for researchers. This technology is much older than you would imagine. Even there are myths of mechanical men in ancient Greek and Egyptian myths. Following are some milestones in the history of AI, which defines the journey from the AI generation to till date development. The first work, which is now recognized as AI, was done by Warren McCulloch and Walter Pitts in 1943. They proposed a model of artificial neurons. In 1950, Alan Turing publishes Computing Machineries and Intelligence, in which he proposed a test. The test can check a machine's ability to exhibit intelligence behavior equivalent to human intelligence, called a Turing test. In the year 1955, Alan Neville and Herbert Simon created the first artificial intelligence program, which was named as Logic Theorist. This program had proved 38 of 52 mathematics theorems and find new and more elegant proof for some theorems. In 1956, the word artificial intelligence first adopted by American computer scientist John McCarthy at Dartmouth Conference. For the first time, AI coined as an academic field. After that, the researchers emphasized developing algorithms which can solve mathematical problems. Joseph Weizenbaum created the first chatbot in 1966, which was named as Eliza. In the year 1972, the first intelligent humanoid robot was built in Japan, which was named as Robot 1. The duration between years 1974 to 1980 was the first AI winter duration. AI winter refers to the time period where computer scientists dealt with the severe shortage of funding from the government for AI researchers. During AI winter, an interest of publicity on artificial intelligence was decreased. After the AI winter duration, AI came back with the expert system. Expert systems were programs that emulate the decision-making ability of human expert. In the year 1980, the first National Conference of American Association of Artificial Intelligence was held at Stanford University. The duration between the year 1987 to 1993 was the second AI winter duration. Again, investors and governments stopped in funding for AI research as due to high cost but not efficient result. The expert system such as XCON was very cost effective. In the year 1997, IBM Deep Blue beats the world chess champion Garry Kasparov and became the first computer to beat the world chess champion. In the year 2002, for the first time, AI entered the home in the form of Roomba, a vacuum cleaner. AI came in the business world till the year of 2006. Companies like Facebook, Twitter, Netflix also start using AI. In the year 2011, IBM Watson won Jeopardy, a quiz show, where it had to solve complex questions as well as riddles. Watson had proved that it could understand natural language and can solve tricky questions quickly. In the year 2012, Google has launched an Android app features Google Now, which was able to provide information to the user as a prediction. In the year 2014, chatbot Eugen Guzman won the competition in the infamous Turing test. In the year 2018, the project debater from IBM debated on complex topics with two master debater and also performed extremely well. Google has demonstrated an AI program Duplex, which was virtual assistant and which had taken a hairdresser appointment on a call, and the lady on the other side didn't notice that she was talking with the machine. Now AI has developed to remarkable level. The concept of deep learning, big data and data science are now trending like a boom. Nowadays companies like Google, Facebook, IBM and Amazon are working with AI and creating amazing devices. The future of artificial intelligence inspiring and will come with the high intelligence. Thank you for watching our video. For more videos, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.